All right, guys. Hey, welcome to I'm recording now. Sorry. I am I'm sorry, I was just disciplining kids, having a talk with my wife, and then all of a sudden, like, I gotta get on here. Okay. So here's what's going on. I just said this if you're on live, but if you're listening to the recording. So since my big Instagram account, the 70,000 one, got shut down. And what happened, I think, is there are all these impersonation accounts happening, and then people complain, but they complained against my account that these impersonation accounts were getting them scammed in cryptos and trading and stuff like that. So they shut down my account because for whatever reason, my email that's in Instagram with that account, it's not receiving the emails for verification. So I've been working with them and it's a nightmare to do this. I did a new account, got that meta verified, been able to go through that channel to get my work with Glenmurray account back. It looks like just as of this morning, I had an email finally saying, can you access the account now? Finally. So now I'm going through the So while I've been doing that, I've been building my other account. And it's interesting, guys. Just in a couple of weeks, I've already gone like, yeah, it's painfully slow at first. But then I've made some progress and I'm starting to get some plays and getting leads through it. And I've only got 90 followers and I'm getting leads from Instagram. So you can get leads and sales from a tiny audience on Instagram. So it's really important for you guys to do that. Another thing I find is that people are not setting up their system for whatever reason. I don't know why you guys buy this stuff, you buy a program, but then you don't go through the steps of setting up your system. These things need a system and you need to give it time to get momentum. It just doesn't happen overnight. When you look back on it after 3 or 6 months, it feels like it was like, wow, it was so quick. It feels so slow going through it. And then when you start getting success, it snowballs. It's amazing to see. So that's the one thing you need to do. Okay, so what I want to do is I'm going to share my screen here. Share screen. Which screen am I going to share here? The classroom. Okay. All right. So what I've done, okay, this is open to you guys now. Cheetah is open. You can go there and you can go through it. Set that up. Do the steps, set it up. Inside, you want to join a legendary marketer. Okay, guys, this is the key. Now, as you go through that training, you're not going to be an affiliate for the first until like day 5 or 6. You can actually get your funnel and start promoting it. And this is where the $1,000 commissions are, guys. Okay, so what I recommend doing is set this up while you're waiting, because this can make you money out of the gate, and just share this. And this is, guys, this is a simple, you just walk through it, sign up, start here, go there, sign up, step 2, step 3, and just set up your system. You have to do this. You need a system. If you're not setting up the system, then you're going to fail. You need to have a system to make money. Okay. This is just reality. So walk through it, do it. And then once you've got your legendary affiliate marketing tool, you can promote both things. Because some people will sign up for legendary and they won't buy it. That's just reality. But you can put this in your email and say, hey, grab my free $4.97 a day system. And then they go through and they sign this up, and then you start getting the recurring commissions. All right, guys. I've got a brunch to go to, so I'm going to make this pretty short. But listen, hopefully this helps you guys. Like I said, the reality is you need to set up a system. If you're not setting up a system, that's why I put these there. They're step-by-step guides to set up a system. You need hosting, you need a landing page, and you need an autoresponder. That's what you need. Okay, you have to have that. Like if you don't have those things, you can't, if you don't have your own domain, you can't email, because you can't use Gmail or Hotmail or AOL or Yahoo or anything like that. You need to have your own domain. So that's a no-brainer. You have to have your own domain. You need a landing page builder, because if you're going to try to build landing pages with forms in them in WordPress or Wix or any of those things, they don't work. they're really complicated and you need to know some coding. And that's why using a landing page builder that is that's what it's made for, is to capture emails. Do you have to pay for it? Absolutely. But once you learn how to use it, you can make landing pages so quick. You might see something like, oh, I want to go promote that. Oh, I'm going to put together a really quick landing page so I can get some emails and be able to send them back to that offer. All right. And the last thing is you need a solid autoresponder. MailChimp, you are not allowed to do affiliate marketing with. So you want the big two choices. The least expensive two big choices are GetResponse or Aweber. I personally had problems with GetResponse, so I choose Aweber. I think Aweber works better. The last choice you can use is I put the Cheetah Method free system into system. I don't know however you say it. You can use that. I don't email out of it, so I don't know what the delivery is like at all. But I know Aweber's delivery. I know their delivery is solid. I know their stats are solid, and I know that when my stuff starts dropping, I know I have to be careful with what I'm sending and what words I'm using in my emails. But that comes in time, guys. You will get that. The main thing is set up your system, a domain, a landing page builder, and an autoresponder. And that's why I built the programs. Every program you see is going to be built around that. And if someone's telling you just go get a link and send, like I do it in my Instagram videos, because those are to attract people that want to make money online, so that I can then show them the proper way to do it. But if someone's just telling you, just get an affiliate link and go put it somewhere, you're leaving so much money on the table, because someone hits that and goes and looks at the product and doesn't buy the product, they're gone. And that was an interested person because they clicked on the link to go look at that product. All right. That's it, guys. I'm going to call it, it's spring break for us. So I've got the kids and my middle child being disciplined. Anyway, there's some bullying going. Anyways, that's what it is. So hopefully, guys, this is helpful for you, and make sure you put stuff in the group, so that you can so I can train you on what you want. If you want something, you just need to let me know. All right, guys, that's it. I'm gonna go. I will see you on the next one. Hopefully, if you're seeing this, drop a comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.